Hi Gia, this is Joe, and this is a new project we're going to be doing for about the next month or so. Hopefully it'll work. What the whole idea is to respond to people's resumes on Craigslist and then send them an email, and then hopefully they'll contact us. So the way we're going to do this, you'll see in Craigslist, it's Craigs list.org. And it's got different cities, states, countries. We're going to want to start with Denver. And the only area we're going to use is this area here where it says resumes. So we click on that. And now you're going to see there's lots and lots of resumes. I'd like you to start at the top and just respond to all of these. And the way you do that is when you click on one, it opens up the resume. Now if we have the person's name and email in here, just put that into Excel. But I don't think, typically what you have to do is click on the reply to this post, and then you have to do the CAPTCHA. And then you get the email. Now what I'm doing, you might have a better way, but if I click on this, it opens up the wrong program, so I just highlight all this, copy it, put it into TextPad, and now I can cut and paste the email. So now, once we have this person's email, I put it in Excel and start making a list like this. If they have a first name listed, put it over here. And once you have a few of these done, we want to send them emails. What I'd like to have you do is date the top, like this is August 29th, Denver. The responses, I did these. So let's do a couple others. This one is not, just so I can show you how we're doing it. Wait a minute. I haven't done these two yet. So this one doesn't have a name. So now I'm going to go to Gmail, and I set up a Gmail account just for this, careeralternatives2001@gmail.com. The password is 07800780. So we cut and paste their email in here. And now we'll go down to canned responses. We have two of them here. One Craigslist for if we don't have their name, and one if we do. So this is, we don't have the name, so click there. And then what I do is I cut and paste the headline, or subject line up here. Get rid of the extra spaces. Hit send. That's all there is to it. Now here's the next one. Now this person, we have their first name. So when we go to do Gmail, so we're going to do the next example, which is this one we do have a first name for. Copy, paste, canned response. This one we do have the name. Same thing with the subject line, just cut and paste it. Get rid of the extra space, and now we type his name. This is Justine. The comma, hit send. So really that's all there is to this. I'm hoping you can do 200-300 of these a day, or if not more. What we want to do first is test Colorado. So do Denver and Boulder, Colorado Springs, Western Slope, and if somebody is advertising, if it's not a resume, if they're trying to sell us, don't bother with them. But otherwise, hopefully this explains what I want you to do, and then at the end of the day, send me the Excel spreadsheet so I can see how many you got done. Thanks a bunch. Let me know if you have questions.